If it's Saturday afternoon, it's washing day. I always iron my own pleats.
Come on, Sebastian. I think this is the right house.
It looks familiar. Who lives here?
It's my former mentor and part-time foe, Tom Whiskers. Go on, ring the bell.
Oh, there's the door. I better go see who it is. Maybe Avon. Is that still a thing?
This is the house of his half-cousin. I think he sublets the spare room.
Oh, hello, boys.
Good afternoon, Miss Cloudy. Can Tom Whiskers come out and play?
He's upstairs with his train set. Why don't you come on in? You'll have to drop your weapons and follow me inside. Wipe your paws. Meow. Okay, I have the 2 engines and 23 rolling stock all connected. Now, let's try out CR 1206 Canadian Special at half throttle. Oh, hi, fellows. Welcome to Lake Oswego, Train Town, USA.
Tom, this is Sebastian, my third cousin half removed from across town.
Welcome, Sabastian.
Yup.
Nice to have you both here. Interested in trains, I see. It's a fascinating world, combining both the recreation of historical equipment and we get to play. Here, I'll show you what I mean. See all these little tiny features on the handrails and around the windows? Now looky here. Get in real close and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, look real close. Count them yourself.
Oh, boy, this guy's a real rivet counter.
So, this is how you get them going. Slowly turn the blue handle to adjust power. See? It's a delicate touch. Round and round they go.
Wow. Yeah, I see. Hey, can they go really fast too? Hey, is this what makes them go? Let me give it a try. Oh, sorry, I got carried away.
Oh no, it's a classic derailment right off the tracks.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm going to mark off the area as a temporary safety corridor. There, that looks good. You have to follow all the local rules and regulations. Okay, Rufus, turn the blue handle real gentle. Oh, yeah, not so gentle. I think you boys had plenty of excitement for today. Who wants a snack?
I thought you'd never ask. What have you got?
It's just dry kibble, but I think you'll like it. Um, um, Now, don't eat too fast.
Wow, it's the best kibble I've ever had. Yeah, just like the astronauts eat.
Well, bye-bye, boys. You can come over any time. Consider yourselves in training. Ha 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 ha. Okay, bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.